You and I. Hey guys, it's Allison and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be showing you super weird things that almost everybody does. And yes, even you totally do it. Some of these things are just super hilarious and I can't even believe that I do some of them. I think it's just because I'm super comfortable in my own skin nowadays that I just don't care. So let's go ahead and I will show you guys super weird things that almost everybody does. So when you have your playlist on shuffle, obviously any random song on your playlist is gonna come up, but you keep shuffling it until you find that one song that you've been wanting to hear. All right, I need to get ready. Let's pick a song here. Just put it on shuffle, I guess. Yo. Oh, this is what I wanted. Okay, just stop the video right here for a second. I just want to mention to you guys the watch that I'm wearing because I know you're asking about it, so let me tell you more. I partnered up with JORD watches and I got sent this amazing watch. I love this watch so freaking much that I want you guys to have one of your own, so that's why I opened a giveaway contest for you guys to win one for yourself. You don't see fine woodcrafted watches like these, so I was super excited to receive mine. So how to enter this giveaway, I just have a link down below. You fill everything out. So what you want to do is you fill out your name, your email address, and then you move on to what your favorite watch is. Now you can go ahead and click the link and see all of their watches that they offer. Once you have found one that you liked, then you want to go ahead and pick your watch series and then also the model. And then you can also follow them on Instagram, which will help your chances on getting picked. So you want to go ahead and put your Instagram handle down below and then you go ahead and submit your entry. The one that I have is the Fieldcrest Maple one. I just love the light color to it. It seems very neutral that a guy and a girl could wear this. And whoever the winner is, you will be contacted by the JORD company themselves by email. And since I know you guys are gonna love their watches so much, they were nice enough to give me a discount code. You get an immediate $25 off and free sizing when you use the code alymerbach. That's me. But make sure you go ahead and order your watches now because the discount code ends when the contest ends, and that is April 15th, 2018. So make sure you guys go enter that contest because I really want you guys to win one of these watches, or go ahead and purchase one yourself because these are freaking awesome. It's just so, you know, oh my god. Oh my god, what did you say? Wow. Okay. So I just wanted to tell you guys that really quick, so let's go ahead and get back to the video. I absolutely hate answering the door to anybody. My neighbor, a kid that's selling Girl Scout cookies, someone asking for money to donate. I hate it all. Answering the door can be very scary for me, and let me show you why. God. Thank God. I do this one countless times, many times. I do this a lot. If I'm out somewhere, I usually don't look, you know, all like this. I don't look good, okay? I look how I looked in my previous video, so go ahead and check that out because actually please don't. So if I see you and I know you did not see me yet, you best believe that I am running the other way.
All right, tampons, bananas, apples are over that way. Oh my god, is that Rebecca? Wow, this camera's really nice. I think I might actually have to get it. I haven't seen her since high school. Oh my, where do we go? Oh my god, go! Wait, was that Allison? Allison from high school? Why wouldn't she say hi or anything? Maybe it wasn't her, I don't know.
I either talk on the phone or I act like I'm texting somebody when it's just super awkward. I really like to do it when I'm leaving a place and I know now it's dark outside. I just get on my phone and just start talking, and I'm usually saying so nonsense stuff that if someone was beside me, they would know I'm totally not on my phone. I usually do it at the bank when I'm waiting for somebody to call my name for me to go next.
Alrighty, I'm at the bank, here to deposit my check, and everybody is now staring at me. Let me just go on my phone quick.
Oh, hey, what's up? Yeah, nothing much. Yeah, I just got here, so yeah, that's okay. Yeah, my day's good. I'm gonna go to Dunkin' today, so that's like really exciting, you know? Yeah, so, okay. Oh, they're about to call me back. I gotta go. Okay, bye. Hi, yeah, that's me. When you hang your one leg off the bed, but you know you're scared, so you pull it back up because you're pretty sure there's monsters under your bed. Picking a wedgie or having to adjust yourself. For me, I either obviously like to just run to the bathroom, fix myself, and go on with my day, or if I just don't have time for that, I try to make up good situations that I can do it, that I make sure that nobody is looking at me. And then I told her, no, I'm not doing that. Hey, can you spot me quick?
Yeah, what's up?
I have like a really bad wedgie and I need to get it like now, but there's a lot of people and I need to make sure no one's watching me.
Well, you're good.
Okay.
Yep, you're good.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, I didn't get it.
Oh my god.
Oh my
seriously? Come on, like it's so hard. You just
don't
it.
go.
It's like really hurt. It's about to rip my whole
just
body.
calm down.
Okay. It's gonna be fine. Just do it again. I don't think anybody was suspicious.
I'm good. I'm fine.
You're good.
Good. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, I got it. Yes. You know, I like this one. This one really seems to be just calling me. So during the week, obviously, I'm making plans with some of my friends just to go to the bar, just to go somewhere to eat. And then that day comes and I'm like, I really don't want to do that.
All right, check it out. Oh, cool. Yeah, you put all this in.
Shoot, I forgot I told them I was gonna hang out with them tonight. Oh my god. Hello?
Hey, so you're still going out with all of us tonight, right?
Man, you know what? Something just, it came up and I really can't tonight. I'm so busy.
Really? What could you possibly be so busy with?
Well, you know, my cat is really sick right now and I gotta take her to the vet. It's like super urgent.
You don't even have a cat?
Well, gotta go, bye!
Jackpot! High five! Don't leave me hanging.
This one's pretty self-explanatory.
You know, you don't even care about my... That's too much. You know, you don't even care about my feelings enough to even care... No, I don't want to do that. You lied to me. You told me you're my best friend. Think about it. You lied to me, you told me you were my best friend, and then you went ahead and did that anyway. That was good. I felt good. Why do you even care? Why do you even... Too much. Why do you even care? You don't even care about my feelings.
So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you do most of these weird things that I mentioned in this video, give it a like and also comment down which one is your top-notch weird thing that you do. Be on the lookout for more videos coming soon. I post every Monday and Friday. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you get a notification for every time I post. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!